Hey, man, we got a club car here. First thing you want to do is turn the voltmeter on volts DC, which is V with a straight line. We're going to hit the gas, see if it runs. It's in run. Knock the meter over. We got voltage. Yeah, 52 volts. All right, hit the gas. It trembles like it tries to run, but it don't run. All right. So, yeah, you can feel it's trying to run. All right, Jay, when I tell you, hit the gas. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this cover off at the controller because the solenoid clicks and the car tries to run, but it just ain't running. So what I'm going to do is show you how to test the output on the controller. All right, man, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to clamp it on my M negative on the controller. You got your B plus. Your M negative's in the middle. Hold on. Your M negative's in the middle. Put you right here. Which is right there. Then I'm going to take and clamp it on there. If I can get it to stay on there, let's see. All right. So what I did, I clamped it like that on there. Now we're just checking the output of the controller here because we know the solenoid engages, so everything, all your switches are good. Key switch, M core, all that's working because you're getting the solenoids clicking. Now I'm going to take my red lead, I'm going to put it right here. Now whatever you do, make sure they don't touch. These these wire ends are insulated, so they're not going to touch. If they fall off, it just falls off. It ain't going to hurt nothing. And what I'm going to do is put it forward, like a Ford and Chevrolet, Jason, ain't gonna lie. All right, I'm gonna put it on DC voltage, which is V with a straight line. Right now, AC's popping up, so I'm gonna hit my range button. Not my range, hold on, right here. Hey, where's it at, man? Sorry, I can't even see on here. What the hell is it beeping for? All right, right there. There you go. Volts DC. You can see there, volts DC. All right, Jay, hit the gas. Right now we have it jacked up just to be safe. You hit it? All right, put it in reverse. Hit. Yep. All right. Now, you know, I'm going to tell you, man, the other day I had a voltmeter that was kind of broke and I'm still using it because I left my fluke at the house. And the other day we checked the carts. Matter of fact, the same cart. And the voltmeter showed 51 volts out. Now, today with a correct meter that's working, and I know this, man, I just left it at home. I was just trying to test. Now it shows no voltage. Hit the gas. Forward? Yep. All right, so that right there tells me the controller's not putting on no voltage. All right, so we got a bad controller. Now, what I'm going to do before we call that is I'm going to take my voltmeter and tell my guy up there to put it on the main positive. I'm going to stick it through the hole here, Jay. Just to make sure it ain't a solenoid, not getting a good connection. Main positive? Yep. So now we got the red lead on the main part. I mean, the solenoid's way up there, man. It's just hard for me to hold this and that and do everything at one time. All right, Jay, hit the gas now. On the main positive. Right? Yep. Hit the gas forward. All right, no voltage. Now I'm gonna do one more test, just to make sure, man. I can't show. I have to show you the meter in a minute. I'm gonna take this clamp. Cause don't just assume, man, one test. It's better to do a couple tests. What I'm gonna do is take this, touch my B negative on the controller, and you can see right there that I got battery voltage, which tells me my wire ends are good. Now I'm gonna touch it back here. Now that he's got that, hit the gas. I got it back on the M negative. Hold it down again. And you can see it went up to 8 volts, then back down to 0. All right. This is one of them rare occasions, man, where the solenoid stays engaged and the cart doesn't run. 99% of the time, it's the motor. All right, hit the gas, get in here to click. And this whole time he's got his gas. Now let go of the gas. All right, you heard it click out. 99% of the time, that's motor. This rare time here, man. Control is bad on here. All right, man, stay tuned, man. We'll post some more, man.